Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download your information in the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the Manage My Account button. And then click on the Download Your Information button. And as you can see, you can request a copy of your personal data. For that, you need to accept this little form here, and then just click on the Create File button, and the information will be provided. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.